Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can see who viewed your thread. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. So first of all, open up your Threads application on your device and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you will be redirected to its timeline page of your account. Here just tap on the profile icon and then select your thread. If your thread has enough likes, you will be able to see them, but as I don't have enough likes, I'm unable to see it. Or you can simply go over to your timeline page and select a post or thread. Here you can see the ones who liked it or commented on it, so you know that they've seen your thread. Currently there's no feature available that you can use to see all of your viewers till now, but you can use this trick to see a number of them, and that's how you can see who viewed your thread. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.